Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we will discuss rationalization of denominator. First we see rationalization. The process of multiplying a given surd by its rationalizing factor to get a rational number as product is called rationalization of the given surd. We know surd an irrational radical with rational radicand is called a surd. When we multiply some surd with another factor and our surd becomes a rational number, then that factor is called rationalizing factor. We will discuss here in example. Now we come here, rationalization of denominator. The process involves rewriting a radical expression as an equivalent expression in which the denominator no longer contains any radicals. It is a process in which we write a radical expression equal to another expression in which denominator is rational number. This process is called rationalizing the denominator. It is an example, rationalize the denominator 4 over square root of 5. Here square root of 5 is irrational number and it is a surd. When we multiply it with square root of 5, we get 4 square root of 5, and these two monomials can be written in one radical sign. 5 into 5, it becomes 5 square, and this is square root, inverse process of each other, and we get 5. Now denominator of this expression has become rational number. Here it is irrational number, and after rationalization we get rational number in the denominator, and this under root 5 is called rationalizing factor, and this process is called rationalization, and this under root 5 is the rationalizing factor. We take another example, rationalize the denominator of 3 over square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Now 3 over square root of 5 plus square root of 2. It is a binomial surd. We will multiply this binomial surd with its conjugate factor, square root of 5 minus square root of 2. We have multiplied the numerator and denominator by the conjugate factor of this binomial surd. Now we have 3 into square root of 5 minus square root of 2 over. Here product of these two conjugate factors will be square root of 5 square minus square root of 2 square. We have applied formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, difference of squares formula. Now we write the result here. Now this 3 into square root of 5 minus square root of 2 over 5 minus 2. 3 square root of 5 minus square root of 2 over 3, and now this denominator is a rational number. When we rationalize the denominator, it means to make the denominator a rational number by multiplying this binomial surd with its conjugate factor, and this is called rationalizing factor. We get 3, which is a rational number. Now we can cancel this 3 with this 3, and we get 3 square root of 5 minus square root of 2. This is the process of rationalization of denominator. It is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.